Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Kaja Roam and signing in. Make sure sync is enabled so your data stays consistent across devices. Once signed in, create or select a Roam map. Choose a template to speed setup, because templates pre-configure layouts and tags. Next, enable microphone or camera only if you plan to record or capture voice notes. Otherwise, keep them off to save battery and CPU. These first steps get you into the working space quickly, so you can begin adding content now. You now start building and organizing notes by adding nodes. Press Enter for a new node and tab to nest related content, because nested context keeps thought structured. Once done, use hashtags and backlinks to connect ideas across your Roam. Tags let you filter later, backlinks reveal relationships. Make sure to apply filters and switch views. Use calendar for time-based tasks, graph for relationships, and outline for linear export. This middle phase shapes raw notes into a searchable knowledge system. You finish by reviewing and merging duplicate nodes to avoid fragmentation. Search for overlapping content and consolidate entries, because one clean copy is easier to maintain. Next, export or sync your Roam. Pick PDF or Markdown for sharing, or enable Cloud Sync for continuous backups. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Check your network, sign out and back in, then resync one map at a time to isolate issues. This ensures your work is safe and immediately usable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.